Online shopping versus offline shopping. Online shopping. You can buy things from your home without going to a store. You can find many different kinds of things to buy online. It is easy to compare the prices of products from different sellers. You can save time by shopping online instead of going to stores. Websites can suggest things you might like to buy. It is easy to return things you don't want. You don't have to wait in line to buy things. You can shop at any time of the day or night. You can find good deals and discounts online. You can buy things through social media. Offline shopping. You can see and touch the things you want to buy. You can get the things you buy right away. You can go for shopping with your friends and family. You can help small businesses in your community. Store workers can help you choose the right things. You don't have to pay for shipping. It is easy to return things to the store. You can pay with cash or card. Shopping in stores can be fun. You can learn about products from store.